Woyoy! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. Yeah, I hope everyone's good. Season 10, you don't know, so we're fully active. No. Yeah, man, don't forget to do the right thing, like, share, comment, subscribe. People, today we're in a place called Maxfield. Yes, in a place called Maxfield in Kingston. They get me Sunrise Street. They call it Sunlight Street, but they call it Sunrise Street. Okay, so today we're a couple with G then. I'm gonna show you around a little bit. Is it? Yes, people. Maxfield. You see me? Yeah, man, there in the place, man. You see me? You don't know, people. Z there on the phone, and in there with him bridging and him saying, back in the day, when them small, you know, Z used to link up the bridge in OC right here. You see me? Yeah, man. Right there, saw them link up and all our vibes. It's the school days. Yeah, people. I'll show you the vibes, man. I'll show you the vibes. So we're there at Maxfield, Sunlight Street, but them call it Sunrise Street, you know? Yeah, that'll be things that go on here, people, you know? But we are focused on the good parts of the Garrison. Yeah.
That's updates.
I'm love for you.
That's it.
Love for you.
They are going easy, people. Maxfield, you know? Yeah, man, just to show you, say, go on easy. Yeah. Take a walk. Hope everyone's good. Hope you're enjoying the season. You understand? We're all excited fully. There with the artist, Izel. Yo, Clark, one new tune. Yo, the new tune. Yo, they're not ready for that one there.
They ready?
Them not ready.
I want that ready.
Pull up. Yo, nah, again. Nah.
That's okay.
Yo, it's mad, innit? A beer works, people. Yeah, alright. This is the gully that runs through, people. See me? So yeah, all I know is Maxfield is like, it's famous on songs, and I just hear it whole heap of times on songs. So like, obviously we know it's a bad man place, but it must have, you know, people must love the place to sing about it. So, you know, is there any big artists that are from Maxfield?
So look at young upcoming artists, they are come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. In due time they will reach them for reach, no?
That's true.
Yeah, but we don't know what's a big artist definitely from Sunrise.
Alright. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oi! Welcome to the big up section, people. You don't know anything, man. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I am very sorry that it's only short, but that area there was where we first linked up one of the bridgings. So like, we kind of got there, done a little bit, but then had to go and link a next bridging to get a next episode, which you haven't got yet. Adam and Tom, you soon get that. And then after that, we went to Rockfort, which you already got. So if you haven't seen Rockfort, make sure you go and check that one out. And just check out whatever's on Cook and Vibe. You need to check out everything we do. The rotisserie chicken, powered by the water, crazy. You need to go check that out. But yeah, like I said, it was short today because we was going to other separate areas. But I thought, you know what, the little bit that I got is interesting, if people want to see it, I might as well put it out. There's no point wasting the footage. We might as well put it out there as an episode. It's Tuesday, so you're not missing out on your Thursday's episode, and you're not missing out on your Sunday episode. I mean, so yeah, man, you can't go wrong. A little bonus episode, you see me? So this week, big up people, big up Rod Blinds 7345. He says, man's in the trenches of Jam Don. Keep doing what you're doing, bro. Blessings. Big up yourself. I really think that people like these type of episodes. Not in Kingston for that much longer, so I'm gonna try and get some more done as well whilst I'm here. And also big up Nick Cummings 2056. He said Rockford Street, big up Jabuki, loyalty to the end. You done know. One Jabuki. I really genuinely on Rockford, you see me? That's how we get these passes. Funny because I just see a comment on one of the videos and it was like, I love how people risk their life for views. Listen, we're the stupid people. We're the stupid people. We don't go nowhere unless we have a solid connection. You know what I'm saying? You can't just be going to these places people want to make you know that. You see? So yeah, man, today's episode of Maxfield. Big up yourself, people. See you soon.